Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. So you want to know how much my YouTube channel makes. So I'm going to show you inside of my YouTube analytics and show you exactly how much YouTube pays me, of course using YouTube or Google AdSense. But I'm also going to cover one of the affiliate marketing products, or one of the products that I promote as an affiliate marketer, because of course this channel is about marketing. And of course I cover a lot about how to do affiliate marketing. So I want to show you one of the products that I promote as well, so you get a full or more of a well-rounded picture about how much my YouTube channel actually makes. So without any further ado, let's jump onto the computer and take a look at the analytics. You see here inside of my channel dashboard, currently, as of shooting this video, November 27th, 2020, I have 4,175 subscribers. And if you go down and click my analytics, you're going to see how much I've made currently for the month of November. Again, November 27th, 2020. You can see my estimated revenue right here for the month is $717.81. Now here's the deal. Understand that I am a small channel inside of the niche of marketing or make money online or internet marketing or how to make money online. But because of the niche that I'm in, also my CPMs and my actual RPMs, of course, if you don't understand what that is, if you click on the revenue tab inside your analytics, you're going to see your playback based CPMs. And CPM is effectively how much advertisers are paying YouTube per 1,000 views on your channel or the given channel that the ad is going to run on. And the RPM is the actual revenue per milli, and M stands for milli, that's per 1,000 views, of how much you actually make. So if you were to actually go through this and click on the RPM, you'll see that for the month of November, or in this case for the last 28 days, you can see October 30th was 36.69, and you can see this goes up and it goes down all the way up to $59.31. If we were to actually go back and to look at October by clicking on that, you'll see right here, I made $1,050.15, and you can see that the RPM was up, and you can see the little green arrow here, and it was up by 22%. Of course, there's no way for me to control this. All I can do is make the content that I make, and then as I get views, and as advertisers either see fit to run ads on my videos or not, and of course, YouTube also controls the algorithm and how many videos or which videos actually get ads placed on them. Of course, you have a little bit of control under this inside of the monetization, and that is per video. But at the end of the day, playback based CPM and your RPM are controlled by the people that are paying for the ads and YouTube, and where and how they place them on your videos. So again, that was October, $1,050.15 with an RPM of $43.47. Now RPMs and CPMs, again, are going to go up and down depending upon the niche that you're in. But of course, the higher you can get them and the more views you can get, obviously the more money you're going to make, right? So that was October, and I'll go ahead and show you November again, because I did show you the last 28 days. So for the month of November, currently, again, November 27, 2020, $665.12 with a playback-based CPM of $83 and an RPM of $39.34. Again, I am a small channel, so if you go back to the dashboard, you'll see currently, again, 4,175 subscribers. You'll see the latest video that I put out, which is an actual review of a product that is for sale. I'm actually not promoting that product. I'm actually warning people against that product. But you can see that the number of views here are 457 views. And if you were to go into the video analytics, I'll actually show you this video. You can see here the estimated revenue for just this one video and 457 views. So it's not quite to 1,000 views yet. So the RPM and the money that I make is actually based on that 1,000 views, and then they just do the math, and then you get the money based upon the views that you make. So again, this is per video. So if I was to click on revenue, you can see that the RPM for this video itself currently is $72.49. And of course, the CPM $126.89. So the more views that I get on that video, obviously the more money I'll make. And you can see right here, right now, about 457, almost 500 views, or half of 1,000. I've made $29.20. So that's the way it breaks down. Of course, the point of my channel as a marketing channel to teach people how to do marketing, specifically affiliate marketing, to get started making money online or in the world of internet marketing or making money online or digital marketing. I do promote products here on the channel, and I tell people, hey, if you're interested in this product, link in the description. And effectively, that's how I make the majority of the money on my channel. And I want to show you one of the products and show you the money that I made in November and the money that I made in October just for that one product. So right now we're going to hop over to that product and I'm going to show you exactly how that money shook out for the month of October and currently here in November. So that product is GrooveFunnels, and you can see here inside of my dashboard you have access to everything to include the partner program. So if you click on the quick link, and you can see here on the screen for the partner program or the partner portal, you can learn how to earn 40% recurring and residual income for life on our automatic 2-tier system. Of course, if you want to learn more about GrooveFunnels, even though that's not what this video is about, there is a link in the description. You can click on that and you can sign up for a free account. GrooveFunnels essentially is a page builder and an email autoresponder that allows you to do affiliate marketing or build your own online business and sell your own products. But to the point of this, if you click on Groove Affiliate, it's going to show you how much I made. When you get inside the dashboard, of course, you can see there's nothing here because that's for today, November 27, 2020. But if we were to click on this month, again, which is November, you'll see right here the new sales and the rebuilds, the revenues, and a commission of $757.60. If we were to go back up here and look at October, which was last month in this case, and you can see last month I did $274 in commissions because you can also see that I had a refund on the product. That's part of the way it works. Even if you sell your own products or you're an affiliate, sometimes people buy them, they don't like them for whatever reason, and you get a refund. So you can see the affiliate commissions were adjusted for that refund. And again, that's a look inside of one of the products that I promote as an affiliate marketer to round out the complete picture of how much I make on YouTube. And again, here we are back in my channel dashboard. You can see I am a small channel, 4,175 subscribers, but growing. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment if you would like to see future videos like this about how much I actually make from my YouTube channel, as well as subscribe to the channel, because all that stuff helps the YouTube algorithm and it shows YouTube that you really like the video. Consider sharing the video as well if you think it would be helpful for everyone else that's interested in this topic. And of course, I'll make it real easy for you to subscribe. There'll be a 30-minute timer right here. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel. There'll be more videos right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.